When is low blood pressure an emergency? In most cases, low blood pressure is not a cause for concern. However, in rare instances, it can lead to shock, which may require emergency medical attention. Signs of shock include cold skin and rapid, shallow breathing. Low blood pressure, known medically as hypotension, is when a person's blood pressure lies below the normal ranges. Usually, it is not an issue, so people may not even know their blood pressure is low. Doctors may only take note of it if it starts causing symptoms. People with very low blood pressure who experience regular symptoms such as fatigue and nausea should contact a healthcare professional as soon as possible. In many cases, low blood pressure readings are not a cause for concern. A person with low blood pressure may not even be aware that their blood pressure is low, as it does not cause symptoms in many cases. There is also no specific cutoff point at which blood pressure becomes dangerously low, as it may vary from person to person. Some people may have chronic low blood pressure and can be otherwise healthy. The American Heart Association notes that doctors may only consider chronic low blood pressure to be dangerous if it causes other symptoms. Severe symptoms that come on suddenly may also be a cause for concern. While symptoms may vary from person to person, they typically include dizziness or lightheadedness, fainting, nausea, fatigue, blurred vision, heart palpitations, headache or pain in the neck or back. If someone experiences any of these symptoms, they should contact a doctor. Signs of shock. When blood pressure is very low or drops rapidly, it can also be a medical emergency. The National Heart, Lung and Blood Institute notes that extremely low drops in blood pressure may put the body's organs at risk of not getting enough blood, which may lead to shock. Some concerning signs accompanying very low blood pressure to look out for include rapid, shallow breathing, very weak but rapid pulse, cold, clammy skin, loss of consciousness, blue hue to the skin. Anyone experiencing these symptoms should seek emergency medical attention. Low blood pressure may also lead to problems such as stroke or a heart attack, both of which require immediate medical attention. Underlying conditions. A number of underlying conditions and other health issues may also play a role in low blood pressure. This include pregnancy, blood loss or internal bleeding, dehydration, some medications such as alpha blockers for prostate enlargement, heart problems such as arrhythmias, diabetes, conditions affecting the autonomic nervous system such as Parkinson's disease. Lying down for longer periods may also contribute to low blood pressure. Certain people, such as older adults, may have an increased risk of low blood pressure. People with any of the above conditions and low blood pressure should check in with a doctor regularly to monitor their health issue and its effect on blood pressure. Seeking emergency medical attention. If a person experiences low blood pressure and concerning symptoms, they should seek immediate medical attention. Concerning symptoms include loss of consciousness, confusion, a weak, rapid pulse, shallow, rapid breathing. In the emergency room, doctors may ask about a person's medical history, medications they may be taking, or any infections or accidents that they may have had. They may ask about or check for symptoms. They may also administer tests to check heart rate and blood pressure, as well as imaging tests to check the internal body and organs for other issues. If people have symptoms of stroke or a heart attack, they should seek immediate medical help. How to stop blood pressure from getting too low? Low blood pressure is generally not a cause for concern unless it causes symptoms. Managing any issues that influence blood pressure may help prevent these numbers from dropping too low. For example, people taking medications for hypertension should monitor their doses and blood pressure to be sure their numbers do not drop too low. If their blood pressure drops lower than usual, they should contact a doctor. The doctor may want to adjust the medication or check the interactions with other medications the person is taking. Managing other individual risk factors from underlying conditions may also help prevent blood pressure from getting too low. Home treatment and remedies for low blood pressure. According to the National Heart, Lung and Blood Institute, people do not always need treatment for low blood pressure. Instead, it may be enough to try some simple lifestyle recommendations and treatments, which include drinking more fluids, changing how a person sits or stands, making dietary changes, wearing compression stockings. Doctors may also recommend changes in medications, such as adjusting medications for high blood pressure if they lead to dangerously low blood pressure. Doctors will discuss treatments with the patient in each case, and their exact recommendations may vary depending on an individual's circumstances. When to speak with a doctor about low blood pressure. If a person is experiencing symptoms with low blood pressure, they should seek guidance from a doctor. Doctors may want to monitor the symptoms and test the blood pressure to make any necessary diagnosis and administer treatment. Aside from these events, a person may have low blood pressure and otherwise good health. Low blood pressure can occur without medical issues, and in many cases, it is not a cause for concern. People with chronic low blood pressure may need to work with their doctor to treat any symptoms. Low blood pressure may be a cause for immediate concern. If it is very low and occurs with severe symptoms, such as shock, anyone experiencing symptoms of shock should seek emergency medical attention. If a person is experiencing other uncomfortable symptoms due to low blood pressure, they should contact a doctor for recommendations to keep their blood pressure within healthy ranges.